Hello everyone, welcome to Prakash IT. Myself Prakash. Today we are going to learn about another part of Java 8 feature. So in this video I am going to explain a new feature Java 8. Let me tell about, as part of last video we have we have learned about we have learned regarding Lambda expression. So how we can provide the implementation to the functional interface. The functional interface having one abstract method. So by using Lambda expression, we have provided the implementation to the Lambda expression to the functional interface. So today's lecture, what we are going to learn is another feature, that is method reference. So what exactly method reference is, I am going to explain with an example. So in the view of functional interface, we have provided the implementation to the abstract method by the help of Lambda expression. So today I am going to explain how we can provide the implementation to the same abstract method that is reside inside that to the I can say the functional interface implementation, how we can achieve with the help of method reference. So without any further delay, let's get started. So method references. So Java provides a new feature called method reference in Java 8. So Java 8 is having, I have already in the first video I have explained all the features, like including 15 plus features I have explained. So this is one of the feature among them as part of Java 8. Okay. So method reference is used to refer a method of functional interface. I have already explained we are going to provide the implementation to the functional interface by using method references. So how we can achieve? Let me quickly go through, like, how we will give the implementation to the functional interface by using the method reference, and how many types of method references are there as part of Java 8. Okay, so what we are doing, we have, for example, we have a class. In the last video I have explained, like we have a calculator class which is having one calculate method. For that we have given the implementation by using the Lambda expression. Inside the test, I have written one test class. Inside the test calculator test class, I have provided the implementation to the abstract method, that is calculate method. Okay, so I will explain the same method how we can achieve by using method references. So what is the benefit of method reference? So let first understand that. So instead of providing the implementation, what we are going to do, we are going to refer the method of the class. The we have another class. Inside that, the whatever the implementation we are doing as part of Lambda expression, that implementation we are if the implementation that is already exists, that means if another class, and in that class we have one another method that is holding the implementation of the functional interface. So instead of again writing by using the Lambda expression, that is not recommended. So what we can do here is, we can directly refer what is the method that is there as part of another class, that we can refer to provide the implementation. I will explain through the practical demonstration. Just understand what is how what is the method references is. Okay, so what it will do, Lambda expression we are providing the implementation. It is making our code clumsy, I can say. But in case of method reference, what we are going to do is like it will provide a compact and easy form of Lambda expression. Our code will be concise one. Like it will be clear, more clear than Lambda expression. How I will explain? I will show you. So whenever we are providing the implementation, then in that place I have already told we can refer the method that is already exist. Okay, so there are basically there are three types of method reference are there. One is static method reference. That means a class is having one static method. How we can refer that method in our class to provide the implementation to the functional interface. That is first case one. And another type is case two is to provide the implementation to the functional interface. There may be non-static method. How we are going to access the non-static method in traditional way? We are going to create one object, and on the object we are going to call the method. That is the traditional approach to access a method inside of a class. So here the way of referencing the non-static method, I will give you the syntax here, and through code I will explain. Okay, so how we can do? So static, if it is static method, then directly by class name we can call the method. If it is a non-static, then we can create the object. On the object we are calling. That is the traditional approach. But here how we can achieve that? Okay, I have told there are three types of method references are there in as part of Java 8. Reference to a static method, reference to an instance method, and reference to a constructor. I will explain one by one. So let me first show you what is the syntax of a static method reference. So static method reference is nothing but like the class name will provide double colon operator. Okay, double colon operator followed by the method name. Okay, the class name, then double colon operator, then starting method name. This is the way we are going to refer a static method. Okay, and as part of reference to an instance method, how we are going to refer that method. So in that case, what we can do, we can refer by object reference and then method name. What on the object we are creating, right? That object reference and then double colon and method name. Okay, so constructor, similarly constructor also we can refer by class name double colon and the new operator we are writing, creating the object. Same, this is the three way we can access one static method, instance method, and constructor. Okay, these are the three things I have explained. So by using these three kind of implementation, what we are going to achieve, we are going to definitely we are going to get the clear and concise code. That is number one. And the second thing is we are going to use the code that is already exist. That means we are going to get the code reusability. The reusability feature we are going to get here. Why? Because the implementation to the Lambda expression that is already there in another class inside one method that we are going to refer. Okay, it may be a static method, it may be a non-static method, or it may be a constructor. Okay, so that's it from the theory side. Let's quickly jump into the coding section. I will write the example and I will demonstrate there. Okay, So let me quickly create one package called method references. Okay, method references, one package I have created. Then let me write the same calculator class. Okay, okay. So this calculator class, we are going to this, sorry, this is one interface. Okay, okay. So this is an interface which is having one method public and int calculate method. Okay, calculate method which accept two arguments, int a comma int b. This is the two method, like two argument it is accepting. Since it is having one abstract method, so we can annotate this interface as functional interface, and annotating these things is optional. Okay, annotating this as functional interface, to mark this interface as a functional interface, we can annotate this interface, but this is optional. If you don't annotate also, it is going to be like it is a functional interface. So this interface is having one method, calculate method, that we are going to provide the implementation to this method. Okay, so what we will do by using method reference, what we'll do, let me quickly write one class, implementation class, uh, addition class. Okay, addition class, this is a separate class. What I'm going to do, this is public int okay, int this is add method, this is add method, this is going to get first number one and number two. These two argument is going to get, and it will return number one plus number two. Okay, so this is one method. The job of this method is it will accept two arguments as number one and number two, two integer arguments, and it will return the sum of the two arguments. If you see the calculator interface, this is nothing but this is a calculate method. Okay, this is the calculate method. This is abstract method. Now we are going to provide the implementation to this calculate method by using method reference. How we can achieve that? Let me create the test class. Okay, mm, calculator test. Okay, so this is a calculator test. Let me write the main method. Let me write the main method to it. What I am going to do here is, okay, let me write public static. So this method is static method. First I am going to write the refer this method. Okay, I have written, now I am going to do the providing the implementation to this abstract method that is there in function interface calculator. Okay, so what I can do, I will create, I will refer the calculator object. I will I have written this one, calculator is equal to what we are going to do here, to let me write the lambda expression, then I will replace by method reference. So how we are doing by lambda expression, and that is a comma b, this is these things. If I give lambda expression, then a plus b directly. Okay, so then what we are doing, calculator okay, let me offset this out. uh, Sum is equals to, let me calculator dot calculate of method 10 comma 30. Okay, this is the two things, this is the lambda expression which we can write as per to implement the this method, calculate method. If I run, this is going to give the result as 10 plus 30 is 40. We are not making use of addition class. Directly we are providing the implementation by using the lambda expression. Sum is equal to 40. So what I will do, instead of this implementation, notice, please focus and see, I am providing the implementation by using, this is the implementation we are giving here. So what we can do, instead of providing the implementation directly here, what we can do, we have that addition class. Okay, we have that addition class. Okay, so addition is class is having one add method. Addition, what we are doing in lambda, we are simply providing the implementation. That means we are adding that two numbers. So we have addition class which is doing the same job. What we can do, this class, this method, this addition class add method, we can refer as part of this to provide the implementation to the calculate method. So how we can do that, I have already shown as part of theory how we can do that. Instant method, class name, double colon operator, then the method name is nothing but add. So if I am going to provide the implementation like this, is called method reference. We are referring this class method. Add is the method, addition is the class. This class method, addition class method, we are referring here to provide the implementation to the calculator method of the calculator interface. Are you getting or not? I hope this is clear to everybody. So let me run whether it is providing, it is giving the correct output or not. I have made this example simpler one to understand. See, we got this output sum equal to 40. Okay, so this is called method referencing. Okay, so what we are doing, we are referring the add method, addition class add method. Since this is a static method of addition class is the addition class and add is the static method. So so the reference, the way of referencing is the class name, double colon, then the method name. Okay, so let me go to the second implementation, that is non-static or instant method. Let me remove the static keyword here. Okay, so what we are going to do, this become the non-static method to this addition class. So how we are going to refer, I have already explained. We have to create the object in order to refer that. So addition is equal to object creation. We are very much familiar to create object, right? So instead of this one, what I can do, I can refer this object reference. I will pass this object reference. Okay, okay, this is the object reference, double colon, then method name. I have already told this is the method reference we are going to pass. Method reference double colon r. Let me run that whether it is giving the correct output or not. Yes, as you can see, this is also providing giving me the correct result, right? So till now we have seen two kinds of implementation, that is static, how we can refer static method, static method by method reference, and how to refer non-static method. Okay, so for the static method, how we can refer, so we can refer by class name, double colon, then method name. And in case of non-static, we need to create, we need to the method reference double colon, then method name. Now it's the time to learn about the constructor reference. Okay, let me create one thing. Okay, let me create one package inside that, that is constructor ref. Okay, constructor reference. For this, let me write display interface, display interface, display, okay, display message, display message, some dummy, these things, dummy interface. So what is the job of this? So this interface is having one abstract method, that is public. What it will do, like void get message. Okay, this is it is taking one argument string message. Okay, this is one method, and the return type should be like, let me write one, it will return the object of message. Okay, so I have written one method inside the this one. This interface is a functional interface. Okay, functional interface. This is optional, I have already told. Display message is having one method get message. We are going to provide this implementation to the get message by using method reference, constructor method reference. So whoever is calling this method, they are going to return the method return type as message. Message is another class. This is one reference type is message. So we need to create the class message. So click message. So this is a method message. So here we are going to write public constructor message, which will accept string message, and we'll provide the implementation to this out, just a dummy message, uh, constructor. Okay, constructor. Okay, constructor message. Okay, what I'll do, let me write this message. Okay, this is the dummy implementation we have provided as part of this constructor. Okay, so our aim is to provide the implementation to the display message interface for this get message. So what we will do here, let me write display message test. Okay, display message test. So what we'll do, we are going to provide the implementation to the display message interface. What we'll do, we will create display message. Okay, what we are going to do, we are going to provide the implementation to the display message get message. Okay, how we will do that? We are going to give, which will because it is the return type of this is message. So this message class is having one constructor message. Okay, so how we are going to provide the implementation? So what we will do, the class name message double colon then new, as it will return the return type is message type of object. So we have referred this one by message means I can say we have provided the implementation to as a message object, like message class object. Okay, so so what I can do, so display message, oh, what I have done. Okay, okay, okay. Let me write the main method. I have forgot to write the main method. I will say that. Main method. Then what I will do, now I will call that display message dot get message. Okay, so we'll provide hi, welcome to Prakash IT. Okay, So what we will do, we have provided the implementation by referring the constructor, the new. This is the way of referencing like constructor. Okay. So I have. Let me run this. It is going to display like we are going to. This is the way of referencing the constructor. See, we got the constructor message. It called the constructor and displaying the message. Hi, welcome to Prakash IT. So this is the way of referencing the one constructor. So far we have studied like how to reference the static method and how to reference the non-static or instance method. Then how we can refer constructor. How we can do the method reference by constructor reference. Okay, three types of reference we have studied. Okay, let me quickly give you one more example so that the concept will be clear for everybody. Okay. Okay, let me write one class, employee class. Here I am going to provide employee is have private int emp id. Okay, this is the employee is having id, employee is also having name, emp name, employee name, then private and double emp salary. Only three field will take. Then what I'm going to do is, here I'm going to provide okay, constructor. Where is constructor? Okay, we're going to provide the constructor to this. Then what I'll do, I will write the two string to this. Okay. Okay, this is done. Then let me write the test class, employee test. Okay, this is the test class. We are going to uh, let's see how I am going to make use of method reference with this example. We have a simple, we have a employee class having some property, employee id, employee name, employee salary. Just what we are going to do here is like we are going to take one list of type employee. Okay, so this is nothing but employee list. Okay, so this is going to be instead of that, like let me take arrays. Okay, arrays dot as list. Okay, so this is array list new employee. So this is the way of creating the object like as a list. Okay, 101 employee id, employee name is, let me give that Prakash, then salary is 5,000. Okay, this is one object, employee object. And let me write similarly another one, new employee 102, employee id, then employee name is Akash, and then salary is 10,000. Okay, this is another one. Then new employee, employee id is 103, employee name is Raj, and this one is 3,000 salary. Okay, so what we have done, we have created one employee list having these three employee object. Okay, so here our agenda is like we want to iterate this list to simply we'll display this list as part of as part of this employee list. Okay, employee list we want to display by using with the help of method reference. That is my objective. So how we can achieve? So let me use have not told you that the stream and all, but just see by using stream how can, there are different methods actually. By using that we can we can iterate this list and we can get the list object, and we can display, we can actually there are various methods we can use, may make use of for each, we can make use of iterator, different way are there to display this list. Okay, so what I am going to do is I will show you by using stream. On the list I have opened the stream, then what I am going to do is like I will use for each, you know, this is also a Java 8 feature. So for each, what I'm going to do is I will use first. Let me emp. I will make use of lambda here. Okay. Okay. Sys out emp. See what I have done. On the employee list, I have opened the stream. Then I am iterating for each and every employee. Then I am printing that employee. Okay. This is straightforward. This is simple as much as like this is as much as simple. Okay, everybody can understand. Okay, let me run this. You can see it will display all the employees record. Okay, you can see this is displaying all the employee records. Now fine, what we have done, we have here we have used um, we have used lambda. Okay, lambda expression we have used, but our objective is to display this employee list by using method reference. How we can do that? So let me remove this lambda part. Okay, how we'll achieve that? Okay, so here we have system dot out double colon, then straightly this is we are referring what? Println is the method. Println is the method. This method, println method, we are going to refer. Okay, instead of writing this lambda expression, what we can do, we can then like I have given all the examples like previous examples, how we are referring that non-static method. This is a static method. So how we can call this static method on this? Okay, so how we can refer this uh, this println method? So this is the class name. Okay, this is the class means I can say this is the class name, and double colon by println, the method we are referring by double colon. Okay, this is the way we can refer one method. Let me run that, whether it is giving the same output or not. Definitely 100% it will give the same output. Okay, as you can see, we got the same output. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like this video, then let me know in the comment section, so it will give me the boost, so that I will create more videos on Java 8. Okay, that's it for this video. Okay, thank you.